mean by radical resilience? We think about resilience as this ability to take a punch and stand back up again, right? To just keep going no matter how much pounding happens to you. And maybe there's an aspect of that that is beneficial and sometimes needed. But when I say radical resilience, I'm talking about the ability to actually be present in this moment, no matter what the conditions are around you, and still be able to feel like yourself. So arms at your sides, palms facing up, heels are lightly touching, toes are flopped apart. Collarbones are wide, you feel both shoulder blades on the mat. As you inhale, balloon your belly out. Let your ribs expand to the sides. Bring it in through the back of your throat. And exhale again, letting that sound, that big, resonant, hollow sound, that ha sound come through your throat as you deflate your belly and feel as if there are hands on the sides of your rib cage pressing your ribs to your midline, and then drop your lower back into that very supportive hand.